Welcome to SumTime05. Today we're working with page 25. And we're going to talk about adding integers, adding whole numbers. If we add two positive integers, two positive numbers, the sum is always positive. That makes sense, doesn't it? 3 plus 2 equals 5. On a numbers line, it looks like this. We start at 0 and we first take plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we add plus 2. 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals plus 5. Easy, isn't it? Let's go on. In the same way, the sum of two negative integers is always negative. So minus 2 plus minus 3 becomes minus 5. Let's look at that on a numbers line. As usual, we start with 0. Minus 3, that's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then we add minus 2. So we get minus 4, minus 5. So we can see on the number line that minus 2 plus minus 3 becomes minus 5. Because the sum of two negative integers is always negative. Now it gets a little bit more complicated. We're going to add integers with opposite signs. We're going to add minus 9 and plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 equals minus 6. Let's have a look on the number line. As usual, we start with 0. Let's mark minus 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Let's add 3. So we go the other way. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. And where do we end up? Minus 6. So you can see that minus 9 plus 3 equals minus 6. Let's go on. Here's another example. Minus 3 plus 9 equals plus 6. Let's look at the numbers line. Start with 0 and let's mark minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let's add plus 9 and go the other way. Can you see? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you can see minus 3 plus 9 equals 6. And one last point. The sum of an integer and its opposite is always 0. So we can say minus 6 plus 6 is 0. And on a numbers line, it looks like this. Minus 6 and then plus 6. And we end up where we started from, 0. That's all for today.